A very good day I bid to Miss Wei Bulin. Today my group and I will be presenting on our group project for the Data Structure and Algorithm course. My group consists of 4 members including Syaza binti Abu Bakar Kiai, Muhammad Faris bin Musa, Muhammad Muhaimin Muiz bin Muhammad Syafri and myself Nur Farzana binti Salim. First off, I would like to explain a little bit regarding the headers used in the coding. There are exactly 7 headers used to declare the functions in the following code, such as the iostream and stdio.h that provide standard input and output services for C and C++ program and assisted by the library functions, which is the conio.h header files. Besides that, the string h header file is also used mainly to get input from the users involving arrays of character. In addition, the io-manip header file that provides parametric manipulators enables us to manipulate the output in the C++ program. For example, the setW function that sets the field width or number of characters that are able to be displayed. Other than that, the set limits of the various data types in this course is managed by the limits header file. Last but not least, the stream header file helps in the interoperation between stream buffers and string objects. Moving on to the key function of the program is the add new property function. As shown on the diagram, the switch function is used to ask the users on their selection in adding new property or adding new data to the existing property. Before making any selection, the users are able to observe the existing data through the view all function before progressing. Once the users have made their selection, there will be 2 casts. The first one is for the users to enter the properties number that they want to add the new data to. The second case to add a new property. In the case of adding a new property, the data will be added using a stack structure. In this part, the static variable is used in generating the ID number so that the value can be returned throughout the whole program. As for the address part, getLine is used before the cin to get the whole address even if there is a blank space between the address. After entering the details of the property, the users will be asked to enter the type of the property, whether it is a residential or commercial. The default case will bring back the users back to the beginning of the switch. Here are some of the examples output of the add new property function.
Hi, I'm Muhaimin, and now I will be presenting to you one part of the function that are available in our system. The function is edit function. What are the useful of this edit function is this edit function will enables you to change whatever data that you already stored inside the system. Either it is name, price, or the other data, you can change it. The new data will be replaced the existing data and will be stored inside the array. You can use the view or view monthly summary to view all of the new data. That is all for the edit part. So let's go to the next presenter. Hi, with me again Muhaimin, and now I will be presenting to you the search function. Basically, the search function is just like the name of the function, search. So the search function will enables you to search what kind of property that you stored inside the data. For your information, our search function inside of our system use the binary, not binary, is use the linear method. So the linear method means if you want to search the property, you just enter the number. For example, if you want to search property number 3, you just enter 3 inside of the search function, and the system will display to you all of the details of property number 3 for you. So basically that's all about the search function. So thank you, that's all from me, and we will go to the next presenter.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Faris bin Musa and the metric number is 73609. Today, I will explain about the delete property in our program. We choose to use a stack implementation for a delete function in our program. So, For the user who want to delete a data, they can choose number 2 option in our main menu. Then the data will be deleted or executed. How it will be executed? Okay, as you can see in the slide, as at the first part of the coding, we will make sure either the stack has an element or the stack is empty. If the stack is empty, then we will notify the user that the stack is underflow. But if the stack has an element in it, the delete function will be executed. In stack, only the top element can be deleted. So, as example, if there have 6 elements in the stack, only the 6th element will be deleted. Then the number 5 element will replace the number 6 element to become the top element in the stack. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Shaza binti Abu Bakar Kiai with the metric number of 73855. I will be covering our system's main menu and the viewing monthly summary function. First of all, in the main menu, we started with creating an object for all of our classes in order to call the constructor in the classes. Then, we create the preset data under the first derived class, which is called details, under the object of data with an array of size 10. There are 5 preset data that will always be inside the system whenever it is running. After listing the local variables, we started with the main part, which is the entrance. We call our methods to welcome the user, which requires the user to press enter to proceed. Then, the main menu will be shown, where it requires the user to enter the number from 0 to 6, which contains every function for the system as shown in the slide. The system will keep on showing the main menu whenever user presses on the different keys apart from 0 to 6. Viewing the monthly summary starts from when the user presses on the number 5 when still in the main menu. It will then ask the user whether they wanted to view it via property type assortment or the transaction type assortment. For this function, we have decided to use the bubble sort assortment. By pressing either one of the assortment, it will call the bubble sort function. For the bubble sort function, in the first loop, we start from the 0 element, and in the next loop, we start from an adjacent element. In the inner loop body, we compare each of the adjacent elements and swap them when they are not in order. At the end of each iteration of the outer loop, the heaviest element bubbles up at the end. Then it will show the user based on each type of assortment that has been chosen.
By the time we finished this code, we felt a wave of achievement for being able to code this based on our knowledge, research, and also the support that have been given by our lecturer by answering our question. We are very proud for being able to implement the knowledge that we learned from this semester into this code. Last but not least, I am very happy to doing this group project with my members because they are very cooperative and also the sharing among us broadens our knowledge too. Let's conclude our presentation. Thank you for your attention. Sincerely from Group 4. Thank you.